Hello and welcome to another video. We're going to go over the rule of order and give you a couple examples. I hope you will go over them yourself one more time and also use Excel to verify your final outcome. But when we do those, we need to do them one step at a time. So let me go ahead and make up a one very quickly. All right, so we could go ahead and say 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 and plus integer 9 divided by, let's say, 4 and plus, let's say, mod 33 comma 10, and we will have another one here, 2 raised to the power of 4 and multiplied by 2. Okay, or let me go ahead and use division, divided by 2. All right. So the very first thing that I have to do is to look at this question and see where is the most in our parentheses. The most in our parentheses is this. Here we go. And I'm going to go ahead and make this the yellow area. Let's focus on the yellow area regardless of how many other operations outside of the parentheses. Don't look at them. Now we're going to focus. Which one is the highest? We have multiplication, we have addition. The highest is the exponent, which is 2 raised to the power of 2, which is 4. And I don't really see this here because I'm going to copy it and paste it. In the test, you're going to really have to write it, or because you're using Word, you could copy and paste as well. Sorry, we're not writing anything these days based on what we have. Then we have actually this one here. To look at it, we have multiplication and addition. We have to do the multiplication first. So 4 plus 4. And again, I'm going to go ahead and press Control V to come up with. Then A is going to be, and I'm about to eliminate the inner parentheses, the most inner parentheses, which is 8 in this case. Then it's going to melt with the others. Now we're going to be looking at the second most inner parentheses in this case, which is this one here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do this one here. Let me go ahead and do this inside those two parentheses. Let me go ahead and do it. Here we go. So let's focus on this one now. Let's focus on this one here. Inside, we have to do the integer from left and mod. They're equal, but we're going to do them from left to right. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and say 8 plus what is 9 divided by 4. Integer division is going to give me a whole number, which is 2. That means there are 2 4s in 9. So we're going to get 2, and the mod is the remainder of an integer division. 33 divided by 10 is going to give me 3 as a result of the integer division, but the remainder also is a 3. So we're going to put that as 3 plus 2 raised to the power of 4 divided by 2. So we're going to take it from left to right. It's very easy to see. We have 10 plus a 3. And of course, we're going to go ahead and I could have copied it and pasted it, which minimize my error anyway. Now I'm about to actually remove the most inner parentheses, which is 10 plus a 3, 13, plus 2 raised to the power of 4 divided by 2. Then it's going to give me that, first of all, I have to raise the 2 to the 4th power, which is 16. There we go, 13 plus 16 divided by 2. And now the division before the addition. So we're going to say here 13 plus 8. And the final result is going to be 21. In order for me to make sure this is really according to what I did correctly, I'm going to go ahead and copy this one here, Control C, and open Excel and make sure that every step I've done is going to be accordingly. Here we go. Let me go ahead and get it bigger so I could see it. I'm going to hit Control Home to go to the first cell, and I'm going to paste it in this one here. And I'm going to, of course, we need to take the A out and start the calculation with the equal sign and hit Enter, and it is 21. So this is exactly what I'm hoping to see. And we could go back to take another example of a different set of operators, which are the logical operators. So if I have something like this, not, and I have here 9 is greater than 3, and 9 is less than 110. Or let's say here 9 less than 4. Let's make it a different story. First of all, we have to look at the most inner parentheses here and take a look at that operation here. And notice that 9 is greater than or equal to greater than 3. That's a true. And 9 is less than 4. That's false. So true and false is false. So we have, now here we go. We have this. We have not, false. So from the innermost not false is going to be, focus on it only, it's going to be true. Then what are we going to have here? Not true. I'm going to say here, not the true is going to be false. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and say not false is going to be true. So the final result is going to be true. Okay, here's an extra parentheses I need to take out. So the final result, you're going to tell me this is the final result. True. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. Let's go ahead and continue with it, and hopefully we'll be able to learn something from it.